Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In this video I'm gonna show you how to clean your USB charging port on your Motorola Defy. So firstly, I have to tell you that if you don't want to damage your USB charging port on your Motorola Defy, don't use metal objects to clean the connector. So I suggest to use an old toothbrush, which you no longer use. So as you can see, in my charging port is dirt, is a piece of paper, and now I'm going to try to clear it. So firstly, we need to take a brush in our hand, take the cover off if you have, and insert the one part of the brush into the connector. Then just try to pry the dirt out. So that's it. Thank you for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye, see you!